Women often face negative gender biases when attempting to secure highly competitive jobs that offer lucrative career opportunities. So what role do sponsorship and personal referrals play in helping overcome these barriers? By examining law clerk hiring decisions at the U.S. Supreme Court, researchers found that the sponsor's gender, tenure in the field, and the candidate's gender interact to impact the candidate's probability of securing a clerkship. U.S. Supreme Court clerkships are elite, early career positions in the legal field that tend to be male-dominated and are contingent on having strong recommendations from judges with which the candidate has worked. As it turns out, candidates recommended by male sponsors are more likely to be hired compared to those recommended by female sponsors. However, this dynamic is also dependent on the sponsor's tenure and the candidate's gender. If a female judge is highly tenured and recommends a female candidate for a clerkship, the odds of securing a U.S. Supreme Court clerkship improve. This may happen because highly tenured female judges may be perceived as having overcome unfair barriers to get where they are, and as a result, better able to identify other women poised to do the same. This may give their recommendations more weight for female candidates specifically. While this result is not seen with other tenure or gender combinations, it does seem to hold true for long-tenured female recommendations of female clerks. Wonder how sponsorship may play a role in helping women secure better positions? If so, you may want to read this paper.